Hello everyone, hope you are doing well in this pandemic situation. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to PixelMaagic for another video on Illustrator. So today we are going to learn how to create 3D objects on Illustrator. So here I have taken a reference image, or as per the reference image we're going to trace it and using 3D Revolve. See, there is two options in Illustrator, that is 3D Revolve, another one is 3D Extrude. So we are going to learn 3D Revolve. So what happens in 3D Revolve? You have to draw one part, either left or right, one part of the whole object you have to draw, and 3D Revolve does the next. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm already opened Illustrator. So to build that, I'm going to take a canvas of 800 pixel into 800 pixel. Normally this is the standard canvas size to make it. Then I'm going to file, then place object. So this is my reference object. By referring this one, I'm going to trace it. So I'm just placing it properly. Then with pen tool, I'm going to trace left half of the whole design. Only outline I have to draw. So you can also choose the right half, there is no problem, but while going for 3D Revolve you have to change the option over there. I'm just trying to be accurate as close as possible. Here are some glitches. So that can be adjusted using your direct selection tool, and this handler will help you out. Now it's done. So I am here drawing two different parts, that is cap part in a different shape and the bottle part in a different shape. So that will be easy for us to paint it properly, because the first part, the cap part is a little bit black color and the bottom part is brown color. So now the cap part is ready. So I'm just going to move it aside. Then I'm going to trace the bottle part. So here, as you can put cap on a bottle, I just want to draw the whole bottle here. Where you get a point where you get a curve, you just click and drag the area that will create a curve. Here you can hold shift to have a straight line. Then I'm just going for the middle, searching for the middle part. Yes, I got it. Now just stretch it out. Here I have not clicked there and moving towards straight towards upward position. Here you can see the grid. Now close it. Now the bottle part is also ready. So here now one by one we'll apply the 3D Revolve effect. I'm going to make it side, the reference image, selecting the shape. See, here I'm putting some color. That doesn't matter, means that doesn't matter to feel, or you are giving the outline color. That doesn't matter. The 3D Revolve does this, its work. See here, this is not the shape what I am drawn. So here you have to change the left edge to right edge, so that it will see like a bottle, but still there is much less detailing. We will correct it further. And now we are moving to cap. I am doing the same step again. Now again as you have drawn the left side, so you have to change it right edge. So if you guys go for right side, then you have to choose the left edge to be revolved. Now putting cap on that bottle and arranging it to the front by right click, arrange, and bringing to the front. I'm just adjusting that one to the size of the bottle. Now there is some detailing missing in the bottle, so that I'm not that sure that the cap will be stay over there or somewhere else I have to place. So here I am just calling those missing tools. First I'm going to Windows, then went for transparency tool, then pathfinder, and before that I am calling the toolbar appearance toolbar, because these three toolbar will be needed the most. Now selecting the shape, if any changes we need to do, then we have to go to appearance panel, then 3D revolve. Now I'm just making some changes to make the cap little bit shorter in width. I can see you can make the adjustment any point you want, but for that you have to select that one, the shape, and go to appearance and then click on 3D revolve. If you directly go to the effect, then the same effect will repeatedly put on that particular object. So any changes you need to do, you have to click that, go to appearance, then 3D revolve. Now some changes I am making over there, then click on more option to have a little bit add light over there. You can see I'm just moving the light to the top position. The top part will be lightened up, and this here it will a little bit realistic look. I have just added another one to the and place it to the left, and adding another one and moving to the top of the object, and here by clicking I just send it to the back of the object, so light will come to the back. And that ambient light should be 10 to 20 to have some more realistic look. If you want to put that, if you put it more than 20 or 30, then it will look like a plastic object, not the realistic one. Now it's time to paint the body part. I'm just using the dropper color. Now put the color like this, then went to selecting the object, went to 3D revolve, then lighting option. Now changing the light parameters. Here I have added another one, same as of the cap. Now I'm reducing the ambient light to around 15 or 20 or 8, like that. Anything that look realistic. Now I'm satisfied. Now see, the whole cap is ready, whole bottle is ready. Now I can place the cap in proper position, as it just added some more detailing to the bottle part. See, now here you can see the glitches. There are some straight line, horizontal line you can see. So to rectify that, just increase the blend mode. The blend step should be increased. See, now it's gone almost. You can set it to around 200, 215 in between that. And next the same thing will be repeated for the bottle part. And the preserve spot color should be clicked to have realistic light. You can see the difference. Okay, now it's done. Click on OK. Fine. Alright, now you can see the shape what we have drawn and the shape what we are referring are little bit in different position as per the 3D image. So I'm just rotating it, putting in a proper alignment as of the image and changing the values of rotation so that the referring image and the drawing image should be same off. Just here adjusting the lights over there. You can delete the light by selecting and clicking the delete button. Here I'm send it to the back of the object. Now the same thing we'll do for the bottle part. You can manually adjust the size or like this, or directly put the value. I just want a better option is here, the caps parameter, the upper part, the cap one, we have adjusted the parameters. As per that we can put over there. So here I'm putting the same values as of the bottle cap. Now it's done. You can see it's just looking better enough. Now the bottle part is ready. Now going for the labeling part. To labeling the image, we will put the label in a symbol format to the 3D object and map it. There is an option, I will show you now. Just time to color it. See, you have to little bit bigger size than the object, because as you can see that it's a 3D object, and if we revolve that, we cannot revolve it, we also can able to see the back of it. So better to design the label which should fill the whole object. So here I'm just putting some text to it. The text what we have written D10, the referring object. Adjusting the size. See here no text is shown because the letter color is black. Now I have changed to white. I am not satisfied with the font what I have selected. Now this one is good enough. Sorry, but there is a straight line in between D and tan, and what font we have chosen, that straight line is little bit tilt one, so I'm just changed it again. Now for the bottom part, there is a face gel in smaller letter with little bit lighter weight, so I'm going for Consolas, which is a free font. This one is by default font of Maagic Pro, by default font of Adobe Illustrator. Now I'm just change it to create outline, when to distort and transform, then when to zigzag. So here I'm just making a font little bit fancy type. Size is 1 and ranges per segment is 2. No, it's little bit bigger, so I'm going to add 0.5 pixel. Now it's done. See, some kind of different type of look will be there. Now going for the bottom part, the last one, small looking thing. Here I'm adding the label, the white one, white strip, and send it to control. And send it to back using control and the left bracket key, which is the shortcut of send a object below a layer, below another object. So here I'm also changed the face gel to create outline. If you once create outline, then wherever you will open your file, the font will not be missed, because once you create outline means it became like image like thing. Now for the below smallly written text is not visible, so I am putting design by PixelMaagic, and here I am using Open Sans lighter one. Open Sans is a font by Google. It's free to use, no license will be there. Now I am placing it to the main level part. Yeah, this is better. Okay. Now there is a texture in that font, but we'll look into that later. First of all, just go and let's try how to add the symbol. So here I have imported the symbol, select it and click on that one and give a name. To find out the symbol, go to Windows and find the symbol tool. Once you click over there, it will be shown onto the artboard. So you can see here the symbol is added. Now click on the subject, the bottle part. Now go to 3D Revolve by clicking on Appearance panel, then Map Art. Click on Map Art. Here you can see 1 of 6. See, you can see the targeted zones, which part it's targeting. Now search that symbol from the menu above. If you click scale to fit, it automatically scale and fit to the whole object, but see, it's not previewing the text over there. You can see over here it is added, but it is not shown to us because the face just became the opposite, means it's right towards the object. So I'm just making some changes over here, dragging the letters towards left side, as we have tilted the whole shape from left side, so the text should be on the left. I have just miscalculated it. Now you can see how it's look like, but there is some glitches over there, because in the reference image there is some brown color theme after label and on the bottom part also, but here it just targeted the whole bottle as a black. So for that we have to add some more object to the label. So here I am just ungrouping it and moving the text towards left little bit, and 2 other shape I'm going to add. And use dropper tool to sample the color. This color is became little bit light. Okay, we will see how it's react. And again for the bottom part, here as by using dropper tool I am just sampling the colors. Now again group them by selecting all and placing Ctrl G. Selecting all means only the label part, not all the images. Now press Ctrl G, it's done. Now go to symbol and again press on new symbol and give a name over there, because the last one we have not used. any name you can put, or by default name symbol 2, symbol 1 you can put, but for your reference better to give a name over there. Now going to select the image, select the shape, then go to 3D Revolve. I'm just zooming out to have a better look. Click on preview, then map art, click on map art. Here just click that before applied image and click on clear, and now apply the new one. See, here your system may go slow, just have patience over there, because in 3D objects the system responds a little bit slower than actual. So here some adjustment need to be done. You can use arrow key, or you can directly drag and adjust through your mouse. Here I'm just expanding those areas which I feel should be expanded. Adjusting the length over here. Yes, from this portion also. Yes, now it's looking better. Click on OK. Once you satisfy, click on OK. Now you can see, but there is some missing texture, as in the reference image there is a text panel. So move to that. How to do that? See, this is my final object what I have done, but how to do that? Again, I am going to use that pen tool and simply go to the reference image and click on that image. See, here I am just randomly clicking on the background. It's a kind of tracing. Just trace it down. Just click on the points where there is a curve, moving the mouse, and click on them. Only click on them and move the mouse by referring the background. No rocket science is used over here, so no need to be so serious about it. Just click on them. And close the path. Now the shape, background shape is ready for us. Now color it. Okay, now place it onto the before made object, and again by selecting this one, go to symbols and click on create and give a name over there. Now we can see here one more is created. This step I have already made it, that's why it's not showing over here. Now for the shade part, again I'm just showing you how to do that, the same thing. Now you can see here I'm just applied it. I've already done that, so no need to modify right now. Adjust the level or symbol as per your convenient. Now this is our final output. For today, this is the tutorial. It's a very short one, not really short one. It's already 22 minutes covered to do the whole process. Although really, if you try it, it may take not much, but around 30 to 35 minutes it will take roughly. So enjoy, and if you like the video, please share it and click on subscription button to subscribe my channel. And if you want this type of video in near future, so don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification of newly added video. Thanks for today. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.